So we continue with Melaveh Malkah, and we're going to explain. So it says there is a mitzvah to eat Melaveh Malkah every Motzi Shabbos. This is in order to escort Shabbos queen when she departs. Okay. Just as when the king and the queen leaves the city, the people escort them on their way. Shabbos should be treated similarly. So our sages say we have to make a demarcation when Shabbos starts. We do with kiddush, and same when Shabbos leaves, we have to do another meal, right? Melaveh Malkah. Okay. Initially, there is a bone in the body called luz, which is nourished only from the food eaten at Melaveh Malkah. It did not benefit from Eitz Hadas. Consequently, it will not rot in a grave, and Techiyah Hamesim will therefore initiate with the bone. So let's understand what it says. So we know that all of the organs in our body are being nourished through different mitzvahs, right? So all of the organs, all of the ligaments in our bodies being provided with the spiritual nourishment from when we do the mitzvahs, and spiritual is converted into physical, right? But this loose bone, it's very interesting. It was not part of the sin of Adam Harishon, the first name, the first man, right? So, and this bone our sages explain, is indestructible. So even if they burn somebody in a crematorium, Chas v'Shalom, or what the Nazis did, so our sages explain that this bone is indestructible, or like part of it is going to remain intact. So, and when Mashiach comes, Beezrat Hashem, he's going to start with what? With whatever is available. So, of course, most of the body rot in their grave if they've been there for a long time, and even recently. So, how do we know? Because Mishnah says in Pirkei Avos, the bones of the jealous rot. So, if somebody is jealous, that's what they should expect. Okay. So continue. Many poskim feel that women are obligated in the Melaveh Malkah just as men are, since the reason applied to them equally. Moreover, it is said that eating Melaveh Malkah is gula for easy childbirth. So what could be better for a woman? Easy childbirth, and plus don't rush to finish Shabbos early. Like it's as our sages explain in the Medrash, that Hashem looked at his treasury, and from all of the treasury, right, he gave us Shabbos. So you can imagine, so if Hashem himself, Hashem Yisbarach, knows what is good and what is not good, and he said, that's the best gift to my Kala, to my wife, Jewish nation, so we should not to Russia, finish it as soon as possible. So it's like continuation of Shabbos. Even Shabbos is over, but it's still we still celebrate. Preferably one, and women also. There is no obligation like as strict as for men, but also like very, very. What is it? Some poskim feel that women are obligated, right? Obligated. Okay. Preferably one should eat bread in honor of Melaveh Malkah. If one is not able to do so, then at least she should eat a matz mizones, a food or fruit. So that's also for men. For men, it does not say here, but Chazanish Zatzal says, a man who does not eat bread at Melaveh Malkah would be very sorry when Mashiach comes. That's what he said. So for me, it was enough said. So I said when I heard this, when I read this, I said, yeah, I'm eating bread always. When? Always. So try to eat less in Seudah Shlishis, a little less, and everything you have to eat is kizayis. That's of course we always recommend kibeitza like 2 ounces, but if not, like you cannot eat, so eat kizayis. It's 28 grams. Like it's not a lot. So bread and you're good. Okay. Okay, but and same for a woman. If she cannot, let her eat, and same for men. Let them mizoines, meaning some cookies, cakes, or something, or fruit, right? Or some even say like the most lenient opinion, you can drink hot beverages. Also, it is recommended to have meat or some other cooked dish in order to enhance the mitzvah. So of course it's proper to have real food, not just a piece of bread, right? To have meat, other dishes, hot dishes. The amount of food required to be eaten is the size of kizayis, right? That's it. So it's like 1 ounce. This is not very difficult to do, and therefore the mitzvah should not be ignored. Like kizayis, it's not much at all. So if somebody cannot eat, I give this example in the winter, right, when Shabbos or like I don't know 5 something. Let's say not now, but 6 p.m. So you're not so hungry at 6 p.m. Right, so you can wait, eat in 1 hour, eat in 2 hours when you're going to be hungry. That's it. It's but please do not pass it. It's very important mitzvah. Okay, and plus we said only a little food needs to be eaten. Some are careful to serve Melaveh Malkah on Shabbos tablecloth. So I mean, and some people do not even change from the Shabbos clothing. So until after Melaveh Malkah, or at least minimum of the minimum until the Havdalah, until after Havdalah. So because when we're doing Havdalah, it's still Shabbos, right? Okay. So continue. The time for eating Melaveh Malkah is before Chatzos, halachic midnight, and preferably right after Shabbos ends. Okay, as even though it says preferably, but in the winter when you're not so hungry, so okay, you can give an hour or like just don't forget, right? And until Chatzos, meaning I'm not sure what time is Chatzos now. I mean it depends where you live, but it's halachic midnight, halachic. So you check the calendar. So that's all about Melaveh Malkah, and it does not say here, but. So it's proper to have one dish that was actually cooked specifically for Melaveh Malkah, not leftover for Shabbos. At least one dish. Okay, you can have all of the other dishes as leftover, but one dish cooked. So what it could be, you can cook eggs or something like some easy thing to do, like specifically in honor of Melaveh Malkah.